Hey everyone, friends! Today I'm going to show you how to download the Microsoft Store. The usual way is to just type in Microsoft Store Download and click on the first tab. Download and install Microsoft Store on PC. Click the download button. Now the app downloads, which you need to open like this. And the program automatically starts installing and launches. There, you might see install here, but I have update because I have an older version. There, and the installation is in progress. If this simple procedure didn't help, then open PowerShell as administrator. There, you'll need to enter two commands: get apx package Microsoft.Windows Store remove, which removes it. Press enter, then enter the second command, which will reinstall the Microsoft Store fresh. There. And the Microsoft Store will open right away. I got an error here because I didn't run the first command. That's how it's done. That's all. This was everyone. Bye.